Hey guys, it's Matt Ode 6TJ channel. Just making a video about these nice grill inserts I got from Ubox Offroad. Just pretty easy, simple installation. How to install them. You have these little clips on the back. All you have to do is set it down here. That's right into place. Alright, so I finished installing the little grill insert clips. First impressions though, they were really nice. It looked really good. Nice thick plastic. They actually hold in pretty well. Pretty tight. I have my transmission cooler back there. Trying to find some means to protect it, because obviously the TJ grills, they're just open slots, really exposes your condenser, your radiator, anything else you might be running up there. But I'll leave a link in the description for Ubox Offroad. I actually got mine off Amazon, but it was a nice, quick, easy install. Makes it look 10 times better, I think. It looked pretty cool, and a little extra protection. And I don't think it'll actually cause it to tempt to go up. Probably a little bit, but not much. Be sure to like and subscribe to my page. Helps me out, helps me make more videos, and see you in the next one.